I'm not saying that I am a professional and you should do it exactly how I'm doing. I'm just showing you guys how I decided to do my lashes on myself.
No sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money anything. We up till 6 in the morning.
Hey y'all, so I know we've been in quarantine and some people are trying to learn how to do their own lashes, so I just thought I should make this video just to make it convenient. Now, I used to do my lashes back in college, and I used to just buy me some lashes that was just the little small individual fan ones and just do them myself. But I just thought I should make a video for anybody who, you know, hasn't been able to get their lashes done by a professional and just make a video. So I bought the Kiss IMB. These are in Flare Long, and then I also bought the mediums. So the mediums I'm gonna try to put like in the corners, and the longs I'm gonna put at the ends. And excuse my hair,
21.
I didn't feel like putting on a wig, so I'm just gonna probably zoom in on my eyes so you guys can get a close-up of what the lashes are gonna look like. And the glue I'm gonna be using, and you'll need a tweezer, honey, and the glue I'm gonna be using is also by Kiss. The glue I'll be using. Putting this glue, tray table, not too much. And I've already cleaned off my eyes and my eyelashes with some witch hazel and wash my face. So when I used to do these lashes, I used to do them and stick them to my skin. I heard you're not supposed to do that, so I'm just gonna be trying to put these lashes on top of my lashes. So I got the right eye done. I'm so mad I broke my fingernail. So I have the right eye done, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the left. Okay, I did the right eye. Hope it's not too full. It looks okay, right? The glue definitely gets dry, so you want to make sure that you're not using a lot of glue at one time, just a drop at a time. I put a lot on this side. Maybe. Oh, maybe I did. Yeah, maybe I put way too many on this side. Yeah, it's too late. We're gonna have to wait for them to fall off because, yeah, but these are the lashes, honey. This is what it's giving. And it only took me like 10 minutes to do like each eye. But definitely when I put my makeup on and get it all together, these probably look real good. But yeah, this is something for a little while. And I still have a lot extra. These are the long ones and these are the medium ones. And then I used I bought some thinner long ones, and this is how many I had left for these. So yeah, so I'm gonna take a few pictures and post them so you guys can see. But here's a close-up. And let me just make a disclaimer, no, I am not a professional, and I'm not saying like everybody should do this. This is just something I decided to do for myself to post a video in case anybody decides to purchase this. I'm not saying that I am a professional and you should do it exactly how I'm doing. I'm just showing you guys how I decided to do my lashes on myself. But if you guys want to leave a comment below and just let me know what you think, or if you've already tried this, let me know. And I'm gonna try to give like an update and see how these last throughout the week. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you next time.
You're always on my mind, so you know who I am now. Got Wi-Fi, got Zans, got that gas and some drink. Girl, invite your bitches, we gon' party all week. Know you got a man, girl, your secret's safe with me. All my niggas shooters, so you know they don't sleep. Girl, you know I keep